Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out this little addition to my center console in the Miata. It makes life so much easier. Although it doesn't look like much, this little plastic shelf here is a lifesaver. Without it, it is such a waste of space. I like it because although this is very deep, it does have that little pocket where you can put more important things that you don't want falling all the way down to the back of the little console area. So right here I have my little tire pressure monitor and things like that, things that I don't want to go diving for. And it just closes nicely and everything remains nice and snug right where it should be. So I really like it just in the sense that I can have priority items up the top. It does have a little bit of flex to it, so I'm not concerned by accidentally bumping it while it is open that it's going to break or anything like that, or if I put something in that might press on it that it will snap. It was super easy to install and it's definitely worth the money. I love it. It's made a huge difference. But that's just my point of view.